Best 100 Modern Bathroom Ceiling Design Ideas. Top ideas for bathroom false ceiling designs for your home. Just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe us, if you haven't already, to watch new videos daily. Bathrooms have been a thing that everyone wants to make a convenient, spacious, and attractive place. The size of the bathroom might be smaller, as compared to other rooms in the house, but it could cost you the same amount you would spend on a kitchen or bedroom. Because of the smaller size of bathrooms nowadays, people want some space planning done before renovating, for making it convenient to use. A bathroom false ceiling is a thing that the homeowners either don't think of or gets ignored in planning other things in a bathroom. Homeowners get confused while making a decision on which ceiling to select, or whether would it be best, depending on the condition of the bathroom. Let's know what to select when it comes to the ceiling. Acrylic. Acrylic is the most known thing among street homeowners. It is a fiber material made up of resin. The acrylic ceiling is mostly preferred for bathrooms by people today, because a wide range of color shades and designs are available. Acrylic sheets are available in different sizes and thicknesses. Like thickness is used, which is supported with 1-inch L-shaped aluminum strips. Acrylic sheets are available in transparent and solid colors of many varieties. Transparent sheets are mainly used in bathroom ceilings. On top, you can install a T5 LED light or panel light. Acrylic sheets are light in weight and can be removed whenever you required maintenance work for lights or geysers. Decorative designs are also available in the market, but these are made in standard sizes, which is a little expensive. You can use them as highlighters with lights behind them for a great look in your bathroom. Gypsum board. Gypsum is a ready-made sheet made up of pop plaster of Paris. It comes in many sizes. Gypsum false ceiling is also a cheaper solution for bathrooms. You can use this gypsum ceiling where your bathroom gets heated in the summer season. Gypsum ceiling is used in other rooms, also with the help of aluminum framing, and you can install LED panel lights and indirect lights, also for luxurious looks. Aluminum composite panel. Aluminum composite panels, consisting of a thermoplastic polyethylene core. The polyethylene core is bonded between the two aluminum sheets, providing a very lightweight, flat, smooth, and strong rigid sheet. ACP is mainly used for commercial purposes, like building elevations, shop signboards, hotels, malls, etc. It is widely available in simple, metallic, and marble textures. It's also light-weighted material, available in different sizes. The standard size is 8*4 feet. It is fitted the same as an acrylic sheet, with an aluminum 1-inch strip. It is a solid material, so you have to cut the part to fit the panel light. ACP looks solid in the ceiling. It is helpful if there is a dampness problem in the bathroom. Wooden. If you are planning to give a rustic or rich look to your bathroom, a wooden false ceiling is a good option. The wooden ceiling is a little costly compared to other ceilings because original wooden planks are used. It looks better in large and spacious bathrooms. Concealed lights give a good aesthetic to the bathroom. It looks good in open bathrooms and villas, hotels, etc. Glass false ceiling is another option if you want to give a complete aqua touch to your bathroom, or if your bathroom has no window or low light, you can choose this glass ceiling, where you can print sky or some greenery print on glass and install on the ceiling, which gives a feeling of light. Tiles. Yes, you can install tiles on the bathroom ceiling. Don't fear, it is safe. If your bathroom's ceiling height is too low, then use tiles. Benefits of using tiles in the bathroom. There will be no seepage issue, and water will not harm your ceiling. You can give designer look also by installing a highlighter on the ceiling with wall continuity. Painting. It is one of the cheapest options for the bathroom, but if your bathroom has a leakage issue, then this option will not work, and your ceiling will get spoiled in 1 or 2 months, or maybe weeks. If there is no leakage or seepage issue, then we will recommend you choose this option as a cheap solution. Because you will need to repair your bathroom every year if you go with the painting when you have leakage issues. Dark bathroom false ceiling design. Marble is a popular choice of material for bathroom design. Always an elegant option for a design that is marble heavy, there has to be a balancing factor. The dark wooden panels for the bathroom false ceiling tone down the effect of the all marble design and serve as the perfect canvas for light fixtures. Armstrong. Armstrong is an international false ceiling brand that makes ceiling products for commercial and residential projects. Armstrong is rarely used in bathroom ceilings unless it is recommended by the designer or contractor. It comes in different textured, patterned, and wooden types. If your bathroom height is enough, then you can use Armstrong ceiling tiles. It is mainly used in commercial spaces, like offices, malls, etc. Dear viewer, thank you very much for watching the video until these seconds. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe us, if you haven't already, so that you receive new and distinctive videos.